Hi guys, Cars Parts 2.0 and welcome back to another unboxing video. Our second one of the day, and we have another car of the Lambo Estoque. This one's blue, but due to the fact that I don't unboxing video of this car yet, I decided to do that for you guys. Now this one's actually from the Hot Wheels Sedan series. And I have to remember that CTSV I have is one of them. Oh, sneeze coming up. Hang on, you guys. Oh, okay. Whew, that's a big one. All right, let's go continue on with this. This one is part of the Sedan and set at Walmart, just like my black Cadillac CTSV. And for this time, we're going to get a closer look at it. So let's get it out of there. Here we go. Okay, and I got it out easily. Alright, let's get a closer look at the Lambo. Starting with the front. There are details in the front headlights. But looking good. There's the Lambo badge. There's a gray stripe on the top of the car. I never seen that for this kind of Lambo. Now I'm gonna go outside. Hey, I like the wheels that come with this one. They look very nice. Yeah, it is all blue. Here's a Sedan, as always. But this Sedan is a concept. Lamborghini, it never made this car into production at all. So it still remains a concept car to this very day. Now looking at the rear. Oh! There are details in the rear too! Oh, with the taillights. And the gray line that continues in the rear. And so that is something else there. And I really like how it was did with this one though. Well, guys, what do you think? This Lamborghini. Let me know those comments below. I'll see you guys in my third unboxing video. See you guys in that one. Bye.